Hello out there, drone pilots. I have a Yuneec Typhoon H with a real sense that I haven't been able to fly since purchasing in January of 2020. This one here is the first one I had in 2019, which was crashed and destroyed.
Hey, Billy Bob! Yeah, I'm over. What the hell is that thing?
And the main reason I haven't flown my second one is because I could not obtain a no-fly zone release. I had no problem getting one for my first drone, and I did not know what the problems were. So I just settled down, just flew my Hollystone 700 because I don't want to go traveling all over the place to fly. I'm in Class C airspace, but your drone's registered and you receive authorization. There's no problem flying within 2 miles of the Sanford International Airport, and altitude's up to 200 feet.
Yeah, Billy Bob! I think we're being invaded. Get your guns!
But the main reason I'm making this quick video is that I'm sure that many drone pilots out there like me were not aware of this. I know I wasn't. I just happened to be on the internet doing some research, and I come across some information about Yuneec issuing new release from no-fly zone through a company called Yuneec Skins. Now you have to apply, you have to agree to fly with authorization and utilize all the rules, but you do have to pay $100 fee to get the release. And I believe this release clears all no-fly zone restrictions from the drones. And I believe it'll cover all Yuneec drones except, I believe, the 500, but I'm not sure. So those of you out there like me that was not aware of this new no-fly zone release may want to look into it, because I'm definitely interested and I will check it out. I didn't provide any kind of links to this site, but I did take a picture of the site, and I will include that on this video at the tail end.
Hey, good shooting, Billy!
And I definitely will do an update video when I purchase this no-fly zone release and start using it, and give a review on it. So please like, share, and subscribe. This is Paul Stevens with his drones out for now.
Hey, run, Billy! Run, Billy! They're gonna get us! It's a damn invasion!